Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to delete an article in Joomla 3.X. First, let us check the front end of the website. We have published 2 articles under the category Short Stories. To delete these articles, navigate to your Joomla dashboard. Hover your mouse on the Content tab. Select Articles from the drop-down menu to open Article Manager. Check the box next to the article you want to delete. Click on the Trash button at the top. That's it. Article is moved to trash. Now go to the front end of the website and hit refresh. As you can see, the article has been deleted. Similarly, you can delete other article as well. This is how you can delete an article in Joomla 3.x. Thank you for watching.